Hi everybody, it's Dr. Payne coming on here. I decided to do a video just letting you know what I've been up to, and like I said in my previous videos, I made some changes. So you guys know I focus on health and fitness, and I've been able to help a lot of people leave their, well, I should say be less dependent on their steady income, well, less dependent on their regular everyday job, and help them work from home, adding additional income to their family. And for me, for those of you who are new, I should tell you that I have 3 kids, and 2 of those kids have autism. So I don't work as much as other moms. So I work part-time in order to make up for the loss of income. I looked into online business. And what I found, once I found a company that I really, really loved, what I found is that a lot of people didn't. And it's not like they didn't like the company, they also understood that it was a helpful thing because it's a fitness and nutrition company, but they just did not connect how they could use that opportunity as a home business in order to add income to their family. And for the life of me, you guys, I cannot understand. I was like, don't you see it? And what I came to know is it wasn't just that they didn't understand how extra money would change their life every month. They understood that part. What was difficult is that what they had to do to get it. And so there was always an obstacle or a barrier when it comes to people's belief in themselves. And also because it is health and fitness, and people think they had to be some idea of perfection. So it was always like back and forth trying to tell you, no, you don't have to be perfect. No, this is important. And I just was like, it has to be a better way. And certainly it is. So they said, if you ask, God will give it to you. And literally, you guys, I was to the point where I didn't know what else I could do. I didn't know how much more I could tell people or show people or explain what I was doing and how I could make it work for them, until I was online one day and I was fortunate enough to come across someone that I was following and that I admired. And you guys, it's so funny because I hope you guys feel the same for me, but do know that if you fill out a form, if you fill out any of my forms, I'm the one reading it. Okay, it's not a blind assistant or someone in another country. I'm the one reading it, and I will reach out to you. So what happened on a Sunday afternoon, I fill out this form, and on my line, and I almost started not to answer. I'm a heavy screener, like lots of you, right? And something told me, and I picked it up, and here was that same person. And I was really surprised. I was like, gosh, I was watching your video. I've been, doing some of your trainings. Thank you for reaching out to me. And on the other end, just like you will find when you reach out to me, it's just a regular person just like you, a mom, a dad, a business builder, just trying to make things work. And we are actually real people. So I was lucky enough to have a conversation, and it was eye-opening. And so I went right in, and I did everything that he said to do, and my life has been different ever since. And different in the fact that, yes, I still wake up excited for my career. I still wake up ready to work on my patients. I still wake up happy to be a wife and mom, but that zest is back. That same feeling that I had when I initially got with my original home business, the same zest, except now I knew how I could make it work, and not just for me, and not just for people who are, tire kickers and fence sitters and stuff like that, but really show people how you can grow your home business without reaching out to every friend and family member that you have, how you can grow your home business without, blindly posting on social media and hoping that somebody, takes a look at it. So one of the many things that he showed me is a system that I'm going to go over with today. And you guys, if you've never heard of it, and I didn't, and I was an avid online, I should say, average online business, person. I thought I knew everything, right? I invested, of course, in my education and training and courses, but I haven't heard of this. And you guys, it has changed the game. So I'm going to share my screen and kind of go over what it does, right? Before I tell you what it is, I'm going to tell you what it does, because that's really important. Because if you don't know what this could do for you, then you're not going to want to consider it. So I want to tell you what this can do for you. So now you should be able to see my screen, and I'm going to minimize myself, you guys. And I know it seems cheesy, but this is like your roadmap to riches, right? You can discover how to easily live the life of your dreams by giving away something very valuable for free. So what happened is that, like a lot of you heard about your systems that you can put in place, email marketing and lead captures and things like that. And yet it was so much work. I had an Aweber. I had, what is the other one? I always forget it. I want to say PicMonkey, but not that. But Aweber, I had GetResponse, I had ClickFunnels. I've had so many things and so many CRM programs, you guys. Asana. I've had Streak. I've had this other one designed just for people in direct sales. And so I've had so many CRM systems and email systems and things like that I thought I knew it all. And so he was like, hey, so do you know how to do landing pages? And da-da-da. And I'm like, yeah, I know that. You know what, guys, next time someone says, do you know, wait to see what they're going to say, because you could be missing an opportunity, okay? So I just want to show you here what you're going to get, right? So how to get the most out of this roadmap to riches, which is what is going to come. Sorry, I said witches because it's Halloween and my kids are into that thing this week. But how to get the most out of the roadmap to riches, you guys. What you're going to do is that you're going to follow key steps in an easily navigatable system, and you're going to be able to get rocking and rolling super fast. And that's what happened to me, because usually there's a long learning curve, and I just can't bring myself to invest in another system that I'll never get around to using. But this you can get around to using. I just want to show you really quickly some of the things that you're going to get, like when you start with this particular system. You're not just wasting your time here. If you look, see the screen you can get this list building website. This is the type of giveaway that I was able to put this together. And I want to tell you, it probably took me 2 minutes. 2 minutes to put my name and to tie this all together. This is how awesome this system is. And I'm able to put this on my website, put this link out, send it to my email list, put it on any social media page, and start list building, getting people interested in my product and giving them something that's valuable. I hope you see the next one. I also generated this in like 2 minutes, a free giveaway report to help people who are sort of kind of interested in home business, which most of you are. And this is amazing, and this is a great thing. And I was able to put this together thanks to the system. And I want to just show you this. I also have like a more detailed tutorial where I can even get in, but more importantly, I can show people how to do a blog, have unlimited amount of blogs, any amount they want, and get going. That's how awesome this system is, you guys. And it virtually guarantees your success. So I like to give you a free trial, because you really want to get in and figure out how this will work for you. So at the bottom of this video is going to be a link to the free trial, and it can really get you going, you guys, when it comes to your home business. And right now is a great time. This is the fourth quarter of the year, and most of you are like trying to save for a holiday or starting to holiday shop, or you're even thinking about how is 2020 going to be different. And how I look at it, you guys, is that you don't have to wait until the new year in order to change your life. You can honestly change your life right now by just deciding that you're going to do different today than what you did yesterday. And I mean, that's what I do every morning. That's what gets me excited. That's why I'm able to get up and get going. And I do so with an open heart, you guys, because I help people every day. I help them with their health. I help them with their fitness, and I help them with their lifestyle and finance, okay? Because you need that income. And I never will ask anybody who joins me to do any less or any more than what I am going to do. So you just have to put your heart and your passion where your head is, right? And get in the grind and start your home business. And there is a roadmap to success. There is like actionable steps that you can take on a daily basis that will help you get to where you need to be. And what works for me may not be what works for you, but what works for us all is having a system. And after I learned the formula, after I learned the real system that didn't involve me asking my cousins and people from high school and everybody I used to know from 100 years ago, right? After I learned the real system, and they explain the vision, right? And I'm able to show people the vision of what this minor, this is one of the many multiple income streams that I have going on, you guys. But I love this one, and this is why I'm showing it to you, because it's the simplest way that if you're a newbie or if you're someone who needs a boost, you can get going. And I have to say, this is not network marketing or MLM or whatever. Not that I'm against it, because I have a network marketing business that I love, but this is something different. This is something that I can offer to all those people who didn't want to do sit-ups or, you know, eat healthy or, you know, do those things. This is something that I found that I can't imagine anyone not wanting to do, because you will get income from this, you guys, and you can help people grow their business. So they have a little vision here, if you can see on my screen, how to earn $960 per month in 120 days, you guys, or less. And this is real. It's not like, this is if you are fantastic and show it, you know, this is if you follow a simple formula, and this is not including the bonus from other parts of the system that people can join or buy into. This is not including that. This is just a basic plan that I'm actually offering you today. First, a free system, and then if you decide to go into the Lead Lightning system with you guys, which is the, I know, hold your horses, the big price of $7, okay? Because people are always like, get to the money part, right? I'm gonna give you a free system that you can always have, that's free forever. And I'm also gonna offer you the $7 system, which is gonna help you make money and give you even more than what my free system offers, but both are good. And with that $7 system, you guys, you can actually grow and wait. The next level, I know you think $7 can't be it. I know you're scared, right? The next level is $20, okay? So you guys, I'm not gonna get into all that today. I just wanna tell you that with just 4 customers each month, 1 per week, right? For just over 120 days, right? Using the endless lead system that I'm talking about, the endless lead mobile system, you can average like 1 customer per week, okay? Using that, everyone can do the same for 120 days. 50% of the matching bonuses are added into your cart, and your one-time commission or sales from the free Ad Secret, Social Profit Academy, and Master Traffic Institute, that's not even included. Just based off that, just 16 customers, you guys, you personally sponsor and can give you an income of $960 per month by the end of 4 months. And it's all laid out to you. I'm not going to explain it here in the video, but that is because those additional $20 commissions that I'm speaking of, that's paid to you from every customer that you refer, you also get a 50% matching bonus every month for a residual income. And you guys, it is all explained to you, so you don't have to ingest it all right now, because you will get to know and you'll have the ample opportunity to go over all of this. But if you can't take a risk, I shouldn't say take a risk, take a chance on yourself and start your home business today. This is just one of the things that I really, really like. And I just wanted to go over it with you guys. Reach out to me. There's going to be information in the box below. And go ahead, get started. Make this Sunday the best Sunday you ever could possibly have, because you started your home-based business and you took a chance on yourself. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon.